Hi everyone, this is David Woodcock. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the latest LAMTA dashboard. This is the view that you will see when you log into the system. You can think of the dashboard as the home page when using LAMTA. It shows all the testing resources available to the system. LAMTA has role-based access, and I'm currently logged in as a lab administrator, so by default, I see all the resources in the lab. If I were logged in as a regular user, I would only see resources that have been assigned to me by the lab administrator. We'll talk about resource assignment in another video. You can see the various different icons here representing the different types of resources managed and controlled by LAMTA. The top row contains the radio sources, in this case RUs from various vendors, but these could also be signal generators or network emulators. The middle row are the various RF signal attenuation and distribution devices, such as RF switches, attenuation arrays, and non-blocking matrices. This can include devices from several supported hardware manufacturers. And you can see the status indicator here, whether the device is online and connected. The bottom row are the testing stations, typically RF desktop shield boxes or larger RF isolation chambers. You can also see a couple of UE here. One is associated with an RF shield box, and one is independent. These lines represent the RF connections between these devices. If I left-click on any resource, I can drill down to see the connection details for that object. This is essentially an as-built diagram of the lab showing the physical connections. I can also right-click on any resource to get device information and a context-sensitive menu for the control actions for that object. To rearrange items on the dashboard, simply click, hold, and drag. A control left click allows you to multi-select several items and move them as a group. If you don't like where they end up, you can reset the view here. These other controls in the upper right corner allow you to zoom in and out and resize the dashboard to fit the screen. This button allows you to turn various resource layers on and off to focus on certain resource types. The LAMTA dashboard gives you a nice top-down system block diagram view of the lab and how everything is configured and connected.